Amazon EBS benefits. Here are the key benefits. Performance for any workload. EBS volumes are performant for your most demanding workloads, including mission-critical applications, such as SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft products. Relational and non-relational databases, enterprise applications, containerized applications, big data analytics engines, file systems, and media workflows are also widely deployed on Amazon EBS. You can choose from different volume types to balance optimal price and performance. Highly available and durable. Designed for mission-critical systems, EBS volumes are automatically replicated within an availability zone AZ and offer 99.999% availability. EBS offers a high durability volume, IO2, for customers that need 99.999% durability, especially for their business-critical applications. Since EBS volumes are for persistent data, it is important to back up the data. EBS snapshots with Amazon Lifecycle Manager, DLM, provides simple and robust backup solution to protect your data and can be used to enable disaster recovery. Cost-effective. EBS offers different volumes at various price points and performance benchmarks. Options range from highly cost-effective $ per gigabyte volumes to high-performance volumes with high IOPS and high throughput designed for mission-critical workloads. This enables you to optimize costs and invest in a precise level of storage for your application needs. Additionally, Amazon EBS snapshots are stored incrementally, which means you are billed only for the changed blocks stored and save storage cost. Easy to use. Amazon EBS volumes are easy to create, use, encrypt, and protect. Elastic Volumes is a feature that allows you to easily adapt your storage volumes as the needs of your applications change. You can also easily create backups of your volume using EBS snapshots and easily automate snapshot management using Data Lifecycle Manager, DLM, without any additional overhead or cost. Virtually unlimited scale. You can build applications that require as little as a single gigabytes of storage or scale up to petabytes of data, all in just a few clicks. Snapshots can be used to quickly restore new volumes, enabling rapid scale. Secure. Access to Amazon EBS volumes is integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management, AWS IAM, which enables access control to your Amazon EBS volumes. EBS is built to be secure for data compliance. Newly created EBS volumes can be encrypted by default, with a single setting in your account. EBS volumes support encryption of data at rest, data in transit, and all volume backups. EBS encryption is supported by all volume types, includes built-in key management infrastructure, and has zero impact on performance.